back to Amazon. Today we present to you the Oneplus Nord CE2, a stellar phone in this segment. The Oneplus Nord CE2 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset that uses built-in AI capabilities to help you with smooth multitasking from gaming to recording videos to switching through various apps. In this new processor, your experience will be fast, smooth and stable as always. You can experience lag-free gaming even while playing in high settings. The Oneplus Nord CE2 comes in two attractive color options, grey mirror and Bahama blue. In terms of camera, this phone has a 64 megapixel AI triple camera setup on the back and a 16 megapixel front camera. This triple camera setup is simply amazing, guys. The bigger aperture allows you to capture more light. The AI enhancements produce more colorful pictures and videos even in low light. It can produce stable photos even when your hands are shaky. It captures great ultra-wide photos. Also, when it comes to colors, it has a great dynamic range and exposure, which gives you amazing photographs. The sharpness of the front camera helps you in getting those Insta-worthy selfies. With a loaded battery of 4500 mAh, the Oneplus Nord CE2 comes with a 65-watt Super Whoop fast charging technology. As compared to the 30-watt charging, you get twice the power to charge your phone, and you can get a full day's battery in just 15 minutes. This phone has a 6.43-inch fluid AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Watching videos or playing games on the screen is simply amazing, as you get bright and vivid colors. Also, the refresh rate gives you a smooth and seamless experience. The phone is compact and handy when compared to other phones in this segment and has a good in-hand feel because of its lightweight. Coming to the operating system, Nord CE2 has Oxygen OS 11 with 5G support, which makes it geared up for the future. With its clean UI, 6.43 inches fluid AMOLED display, 64 MP AI triple setup camera and a super fast 65-watt Super Whoop charger, the Oneplus Nord CE2 has a lot to offer. It is a good buy for sure. Thank you so much for watching.